I'm happy to be here. I am a teacher. I'm going to teach you English with Mr. Tandy.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
What does going to mean?
Please say that again, Mrs. Martinez.
I'm going to teach you English.
Yes, Pierre.
Excuse me, I don't understand.
What does going to mean?
I'm going to open this book. I'm going to close this book. Tomorrow, I'm going to eat Chinese food. Isabel, what are you going to do tomorrow?
I don't know.
You don't know what you're going to do tomorrow?
No, I don't know.
Tomorrow, I'm going to run for 2 hours.
I'm going to do my homework tomorrow.
What are you going to do tomorrow night?
Tomorrow night, I'm going to watch a movie with Teresa. Watch a movie.
No, you're not.
Darn, I'm going to leave now.
No, you're not.
Just joking.
Okay. Mrs. Martinez is going to teach you English.
Oh, okay.
What are you going to do this summer?
Excuse me, Mrs. Martinez? I don't understand.
Please repeat that, Mrs. Martinez.
What are you going to do this summer?
This summer, I am going to swim. 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 This summer, I am going to read. 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 What are you going to do this summer?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm going to practice English.
I'm going to learn English.
I'm going to practice English too.
What are you going to do tomorrow?